Hello friends. Modern cow processing is revolutionized by super advanced machinery, increasing efficiency and scale like never before. With machines now processing up to 400 cows an hour, what does this rapid advancement mean for animal welfare and ethics? Explore this complex issue through a farming documentary and let us know where you stand on the future of meat production. The automatic cow weighing system has a rich history rooted in the need for precision and efficiency in livestock management. Initially developed in the early 20th century, it was designed to streamline the process of monitoring cow weight without the need for manual labor. The system uses sensors and scales integrated into a cow's passageway, providing real-time data on the animal's weight with minimal human intervention. First implemented in large-scale farms in Europe, it required a significant initial investment, typically ranging from $10,000 to $50,000 depending on the scale. Despite the cost, its benefits are clear in the farming documentary. Clearly, it enhances herd management by tracking growth patterns, improving breeding decisions, and optimizing feeding plans, ultimately leading to healthier cows and higher production efficiency for the farm. Cow care begins at birth, with a focus on providing proper nutrition for calf development. In the first 24 hours, calves are fed approximately 2 to 4 liters of colostrum, which is crucial for immunity. Afterward, they are supplemented with 6 to 8 liters of whole milk, or 4.4 to 6.6 pounds of milk replacer per day, depending on their age and breed. Milk is preferred over solid food during this period because it offers essential nutrients like protein around 20%, fat about 10 to 12%, and vitamins necessary for optimal growth. The process is often automated using milk dispensers or bottle feeders, reducing labor while ensuring accurate feeding. According to farming documentaries, farmers report that investing in proper milk supplementation from the start improves calf health, leading to stronger cows that produce 15 to 20% more milk as adults. What do you think the investment cost for the next livestock farm will be? The cost of investing in cattle massage brush systems typically ranges from $2,000 to $5,000 per unit, depending on the size and complexity of the system. These systems are designed with rotating brushes that provide massage and cleaning to the cows, typically mounted on a motorized base. The structure often includes adjustable brushes, sensors, and a frame that allows cows to interact with it freely. The main benefits include improving cow comfort, reducing stress, and promoting better circulation, which can enhance milk production and overall health. Researchers have found that cows using these massage systems experience a growth rate improvement of 5 to 10%, as the massage helps with muscle relaxation and overall well-being, resulting in healthier, more productive cattle on the farm. In the farming documentary, the introduction of automated feeding systems (AFFs) in cattle farms represents a significant shift towards precision and efficiency in livestock management. These systems, which can be integrated into both existing barns or newly designed facilities, are crucial for providing cows with the correct amount of feed consistently. An AFS can handle up to 700 cows, depending on the farm layout and feed configuration. The system's benefits include labor reduction, enhanced feed efficiency, and improved animal welfare by ensuring animals receive the right nutrition at the right time. Additionally, AFs contributes to environmental sustainability by reducing feed wastage. With proper economic planning, AFs can greatly increase profitability by optimizing feeding schedules and improving livestock productivity. Livestock farms frequently collaborate with veterinary centers to ensure optimal animal health and implement disease prevention strategies. A key focus is biosecurity, which helps minimize the risk of disease transmission among animals. Veterinary specialists often emphasize the importance of daily monitoring for signs of illness, with any abnormalities being reported for immediate veterinary intervention. In Oklahoma, Dr. Roslyn Biggs highlights in the farming documentary the importance of biosecurity measures in preventing wildlife-related diseases, noting that managing wildlife populations is integral to maintaining both health and productivity. Additionally, in Maine, livestock farms benefit from government-supported programs that include workshops on biosecurity and disease testing, offering resources like diagnostic tools and expert veterinary guidance. Such collaborations are crucial for safeguarding livestock, improving herd health, and minimizing economic losses. In many farming documentaries, beef processing plants have seen significant advancements with modern technologies and machinery designed to optimize efficiency. Automation is heavily utilized, particularly in tasks like packaging, cutting, and deboning, where machinery has helped reduce labor requirements and increase throughput.
You would be worried about the influence of the continental climate here, right? In winter, the climate here is 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The pigs will not be able to withstand it. But you can rest assured because the barn here is built closed and has a temperature regulation system, so keeping the pigs moist is very good. Once they have a modern livestock farm model, pig farmers in Minnesota proceed to choose the appropriate pig breed. In 2015, Minnesota imported several Duroc, Landrace, and Yorkshire and P-train pig breeds from France, the US, and Canada. Fair Oaks Farms in Minnesota needs to comply with exporting country regulations to ensure that imported breeding pigs meet health and safety standards. Based on the animal quarantine law, this law regulates animal quarantine requirements for imported animals, including import permit requirements, animal health checks, and control measures. Pandemic. After import, the pigs will be placed in a separate breeding area for isolation and quarantine, ensuring the health of the pigs and preventing disease. After completing the quarantine process, pigs will be transferred to the main breeding area to prepare for the self-breeding process. Pig feed is mainly whole grains such as corn, wheat, and soybeans, supplemented with minerals, vitamins, and amino acids necessary for pig growth. On average, an adult pig weighing about 2.2 lb will consume about 5 to 7 pounds of feed per day. The breeding stage preparing for the breeding process will be more rigorous. The pigs will be fed according to the menu of livestock experts. Fair Oaks Farms uses the Minnesota Swine Association's farming practices, providing consulting and support services to Minnesota swine producers, including information on best farming practices, risk, and market management. Pigs are periodically checked for health every 2 to 4 weeks. Then, moved to a separate breeding area for mother pigs to facilitate the care of piglets. However, to reach this stage, they must go through a strict health check process. On your farm, are modern livestock methods like those in Minnesota being applied? Please share below in the description so that pig farming experts can answer your difficulties. You will wonder about the signs of pregnant pigs? Let me explain to you. During pregnancy, the pig's mammary glands begin to function and develop to prepare for lactation for the baby. The pig's udder will enlarge and swell, especially the nipple. However, you need to pay attention to observing them regularly during this time, because if the pigs do not come into heat again after about 3 weeks after breeding, there is a high possibility that the pigs have successfully conceived. At this farm, all the same reproductive stimulants are used for pigs. That is prostaglandin, often used to adjust the time of insemination and increase conception rate. When using this type of fertility stimulant, the participation of experts in the field of animal husbandry is required. The process of raising pregnant pigs requires careful care and observation from the farmer. Pregnant pigs are usually pregnant for about 114 days. During this time, the mother pig needs special observation to ensure the best health for both mother and piglets. Once giving birth, the mother pig can give birth from 6 to 14 piglets. During this period, mother pigs are often weaker, so breeders need to supplement nutrients such as protein and calcium in the diet to support the health and development of piglets. As for the construction of the cage, care should be taken to ensure comfort and safety for both the mother pig and the piglets. The cage should be designed so that it is not too cramped, spacious enough for the mother pig to have space to move but not too large, so that the piglets get lost. An effective solution is to use separate cages with iron bars about 2 to 3 feet in size to avoid stepping on piglets while the mother pig is still weak. After the piglets are separated from the mother pigs, they will be raised in separate barns. Combine raising livestock with heating bulbs and combine with straw lining the floor to effectively keep the pigs warm. Are the pigs on your farm marked? On farms in Minnesota, earlobe cutting is a common method of marking and identifying piglets. Each cut on the earlobe can represent a specific number or letter, helping farmers easily distinguish each piglet in the herd. For example, a cut on the tip of the ear can represent number 1. The 2 cuts at the tip of the ear may represent number 2. American Swine Production Awards, which are presented to producers who excel in areas such as production efficiency, product quality, animal welfare, and environmental management. At Fair Oaks Farms, we have won many trophies for livestock farming, so you can learn from their breeding process. Have you ever heard of a pig farm in Minnesota? Minnesota is a state in the Midwestern United States. The state is famous for its agriculture industry, and pig farming is an important part of the state's economy. Before entering the farming process, I will introduce you to a large farm that raises more than 1,500 pigs and is committed to animal welfare in Minnesota. Spanning more than 10,000 acres, Fair Oaks Farms is more than just the largest livestock farm in the area. Standing out with their adjacent design and interconnected walkways, the barns at Fair Oaks Farms help facilitate the movement, care, and management of pigs effectively. Please try to refer to the modern livestock barn design of this state. The process of swooning pigs at a processing plant in Minnesota is a precise process and is carried out daily to ensure food quality and safety. Every day, this factory processes a large number of pigs, often in the hundreds. After fainting, the pigs are put into cold storage with the temperature maintained at an appropriate level, usually below 4 degrees Celsius, to ensure food safety and prevent bacterial growth. Meat processing steps include skinning, preparing and classifying different meat parts. Professional processing staff perform these steps with precision and efficiency. In Minnesota, processed meat can be shipped through 2 different locations. Part of the meat can be transported directly to processing plants for packaging and vacuum sealing for preservation. The rest can be shipped to downtown pig market centers for traditional meat sales. The price of pre-packaged processed pork at factories is often higher than the price of pork sold at large market centers. The price difference can fluctuate depending on the type of meat, region, and time of purchase, but is usually about 10 to 20% higher than the price of meat at the market. Do you know what the specialty of pork in Minnesota is? To meet increasing market demand, pig trotter processing factories in Korea use modern machinery with large capacity. The industrial boiling pot has a large capacity to boil many pork legs at the same time, ensuring even cooking and saving energy. Automatically mix spices into the pork leg, ensuring uniform flavor for each product. The use of high-capacity machinery helps improve production efficiency, reduce product costs, and ensure uniform quality for each jokbal pork leg product. This product is sold all over the country. If you like this specialty, buy it at major meat centers. What pig farming process do you like at Fair Oaks Farms? Please comment below. Thank you for watching all the processing videos. Turn on channel notifications if you're subscribed to our channel to continue your cooking journeys behind.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.